Okay, you've got to solve this algebraically. I've got a minus inside, and that's always going to be horrible when I've got brackets outside it. But first off, I'm going to multiply out to get rid of the brackets. So it'd be minus 3 4s, that'd be 12x's, 3 1s plus 3 over 5, and that equals 5. And this one we've got to be a bit careful about, because this means minus all of this bit. So actually what I'm going to do now, I need to get rid of the 2 and the 5, so I'm going to times everything by 10. There's other ways of doing this, but I'm going to times the whole thing by 10. And if I've got 10 lots of this, 10 lots of top bit, and then divide by 2, I only have 5 lots of the top bit, so I need to times the top bit by 5, and so that will leave me with 10x's plus 5 7s 35. And then I've got to take away the whole of this top bit. I'm going to put brackets in here so you can see. Times it by 5, so that's equivalent to having just 2 lots. Times it by 10, divide by 5, it's equivalent to 2 lots of top bit, so that'd be minus 24x, and that'd be plus 6. And that equals, I'm timesing everything by 10, so that'll be 50. And now I've got this minus bit here, so that means minus all of this, so that will be 10x's plus 35 minus 24x's, and I've also got to take away that 6 as well, and that equals 50. What have I got? I've got minus 14x, and that's plus 35 minus 6 is plus 29 equals 50. Take away 29 from both sides, I've got minus 14x is 21. Divide by minus 14, I get x equals 21 over minus 14, which equals minus 1.5. There are definitely simpler ways of doing that, but that's how I did it. Factorise and solve the second one. I've got 3x, so I'm going to have 3x squared, so I'm going to have to have 3x and an x. I've got to get 2. If I put the 2 here, then 2 will be the x, and the 1 will go with the 3x. It's going to have to be the other way around. 2 and 1 is minus 7. This will give me 6, and this will give me 1. So they're either both going to be positive or both negative. Pretty obviously they're going to be negative, and that equals 0. So I've factorised it. Just check 3x squared minus 6x minus 1 more x, that's minus 7x, and then minus 1 times minus 2 does give me 2. And now I'm at the stage of either the first one equals 0 or the second one equals 0. If that's the case, I want to solve this one. Add 1 to both sides. That'll say that 3x is a 1, and then divide by 3, so x will equal 1 over 3, a third. This one here, solve this one, get rid of the minus 2. I have to add 2 to both sides, so that will give me x equals 2. And that's that solution done. That's 15 done.